An oil company resident in country A extracts oil and sends the crude oil to a company in country B for refining. The agreed refining fee is $100. Consider two possible cases involved in the transactions with refined oil. In case 1, the refined oil is returned from country B to the country of the owner, country A, and sold by the oil company to another resident of country A. In case 2, the refined oil in country B is sold by the oil company in country A to a third country, C, for $1,100. In case 1, there is a change in economic ownership when the refined oil is sold from one resident in country A to another resident in country A. However, this is a transaction between two residents. Consequently, no transaction is recorded in the balance of payments for the sale of the refined oil. An import of manufacturing services of $100 is recorded in the balance of payments of country A. In case 2, the refined oil is sold by the resident of country A, the oil company, to a resident of country C. Therefore, in the balance of payments, country A records an export of goods of $1,100 to country C and an import of manufacturing services of $100 from country B. Now, let's look at another case. Company A, resident in country A, sends raw material of $500 to Company B, resident in country B, to manufacture garments. Company A pays a fee of $200 to Company B and sells the garments to residents in country B for $700. The fee of $200 includes $90 for the processing fee, $80 for advertising, and $30 broker's commission. The recording in the balance of payments of country A will be an export of goods of $700, an import of manufacturing services of $90, an import of professional and management consulting services of $80, and an import of trade-related services of $30.